Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. I would like to show you these two lighters. They are both 1974. One is number 1625 HP diagonal. As you can see, it does have the original box, which is really cool. I actually paid $4 plus like $4 shipping and for this off of eBay. Little wobbly hinge, time appropriate insert. It was barely used, and the 4 slashes from the bottom left to the upper right on each side marks it as a 1974. And it has the original box, which is really cool. And then this other one, 1974 as well, as you will see. It's just a plain chrome. 4 slashes on the left, 4 slashes on the right. Appropriate insert. This one was slightly used as well when I got it. I like how they have on the bottom. Please, won't you take a moment to read your guarantee? It's so important to you, and we're so proud of it. Millions of Zippos, but no one has ever paid Zippo a cent for a repair. And they haven't. I know I have sent some in, and the only thing I had to pay is shipping, which is kind of cool, and they do a great job. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.